This is your last chance to hop on this trend and make thousands of dollars with TikTok really fast. I'm talking about Reddit story videos. But I'll show you how to do it the correct way so that you get actually monetized and avoid getting lost in this niche because of the gurus telling you to make the exact same videos as everybody else. I'll show you how to create Reddit story videos fast using a secret website I found, how to go viral with those videos, and increase your RPM to make even more money. So let's go. Step numero uno, the story. While most gurus tell you to use Reddit to find stories, and they tell you to use it the wrong way or to use a random website like Creepypasta, I'll tell you that there are 3 ways you can use to find viral Reddit stories. First is using Reddit but the correct way. So what is the correct way? What does that even mean? If you notice in other videos, people will tell you to go to Reddit, find a community that is in your niche, and in most cases they will choose a random story from the hot posts and they will create a video out of this story. But what we are going to do is again find a story through a community or using the search bar, which is really underrated, and we're going to use the options that Reddit gives us and we'll see the top performing posts of this month. Or in some cases we can do top performing posts of this year or of all time. These are stories that have gone viral on Reddit, and it means that these stories are actually good and they are proven stories because they have gone viral. The second way is using TikTok. We'll search for other pages and other videos that are in our niche, and you can find even more niche stories in order to stand out and be that one page that covers that one thing, instead of being another Reddit story page. So back to TikTok, there you'll find videos and stories that have performed well, and you'll do the exact same thing. And the third way is YouTube. I've never heard anyone mentioning this, but you can actually use YouTube to find Reddit stories. There are a lot of YouTube channels that do not make shorts, and actually they make long form content, and they tell Reddit stories. You can watch videos that are performing pretty well and take the stories from these videos. And a secret tip, you can go to the comments of that YouTube video and find which story most people are commenting about from that 10-minute video, because it will most likely have like 10 stories. Now let's see a different way to create our video background. Step numero dos, background. So most people use Minecraft or Subway Surfers for the background, but we are going to do something different. Like I said, we need to stand out. Branding. You can use a completely different game like Cluster Truck or use satisfying clips that are getting trendy right now. This is a very important step because, like I said, it's gonna help us brand our page. We don't want proven work here, we want proven work in our story, which is the most important part. But if we overuse proven content in all aspects of the video, then we'll just end up creating another copy of the same video. But you of course need the last step, which is going to completely change your strategy. Step numero tres, secret rapid editing. And I will be using a website called VSub, where within the website they have an editing program specifically made for Reddit videos. It's crazy how good the videos can turn out with this and how faster and more efficient you can become. And I want to thank VSub for sponsoring this video. If you know me, I've never made a sponsored video because I would only do it if I find something useful, and this one is a game changer. Let me show you. Okay, so here we are on my desktop. This is the website vsub.io, and we're gonna start with the story. I have found this type of post where we take the stories from the comments. What you should do here is sort by top. We're usually going for top because here you can see it has 51,000 upvotes compared to the best that has 4.8. Then we're gonna just go here, copy it, and then we're gonna go to vsub.io, new file, and we're gonna select Reddit. So here, as you can see, include comments, which our story is gonna be in the comments, so we want that. And then the link, we do this and apply magic. So here we have the whole video basically ready. Here, I'm gonna play it to see a preview.
What is the scariest story you know that is 100% true? I would call it creepy more than scary.
That's actually my style on the subtitles, but we're gonna do this all from the beginning. So as you can see, we have the title ready. We don't have to create the title using a separate software. It makes it very simple. And don't worry, of course, there is a free plan where you can create 5 videos per month, 2 minutes maximum each, and there will be no watermark. So first of all is the subtitles. Of course, the subtitles here is my own because I was playing with the software a bit, and this is what I created in order to be more branded. So as you can see here, the fonts, you can choose a ton of fonts and you can add your own custom fonts, which is great because this font you're seeing right now is a custom font. You can download it for free. It's called Brother Bold. I have selected stroke. You can see, you just click that and you apply stroke, and you can choose the size of it. And as you can see, I chose red color and a stroke, a white stroke, just to make a difference, because usually you will see just black stroke and then you will see like just simply white. Everybody does that and they use all the same fonts, but we want to brand, because in this niche the videos can easily get flagged and then you have problems either with monetization or with shadow bans. But with this software you can customize everything and they appear as original videos to the TikTok algorithm. You can even add a background, you can also add emojis on top, bottom, whatever you prefer.
But my mom's friend had a small house and lived alone.
I actually like them here, but I'm gonna make it simple, so I want this one. I'm gonna keep the aesthetic of the video more minimalistic, but with a cartoonish font. Here we have highlights, effects. I have put auto rotate. As you can see, there is also auto move, so it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be wiggling. It also has the AI voice built in. You don't even have to use another third website in order to do all that. You have everything here. So I put auto rotate in because it helps with the retention rate. And this is how this website helps us get more money, a higher RPM, because retention rate, watch time in general, is really important when it comes to making money with the TikTok creativity program. When you get more watch time and not the bare minimum like 5 seconds, TikTok appreciates that because it means that your video made the viewer stay longer on the app, and that means that TikTok made more money from it, so they in return will pay you more and they will push your video to more people. And then of course we have templates. Check this out.
Car to get in. She thought she was just being forgetful.
Look how
One
good
day
this
she heard
looks.
some thumping around.
Look how customized this looks, and you just had to click one button. Look at this one.
She found some makeshift living quarters.
Tell me how many Reddit
Small
videos
radio,
you've seen that
hot
had
plate
these
wrappers,
good captions.
etc.
Or we can use this one and we can of course customize it. We're gonna put it in the middle like this.
She called the
This looks so good, and you can customize all of these. We're gonna stick with mine, with my customized option, but there are a lot of templates you can play with. So then we're gonna go to Reddit. Here we can see we have the voice settings. You can choose whichever voice you want, and I would suggest choosing something that is less saturated. Once you choose another voice, you just click on regenerate speech. Here you can change the title, of course. What else we need to check is here you can see the comments. So if the comment we want to make into a story is not here, which is not, you can look down here which are more comments, or what we can do is take this, just copy it, paste it right here, turn off the rest, regenerate speech, and we're good to go, see? And we're going to the background video. We have already one which is okay, but overused, like I said. What we want to do is go to YouTube and search for a game that is not often used in Reddit videos, just to make a difference, to brand ourselves. I have here, for example, Cluster Track, a GTA 5 gameplay with ultra realistic graphics, which is really good. I have also this game, pretty satisfying. You can also use this game, for example. I found what you can do actually, you can go to shorts, you can choose a short, and I'm gonna do this one. You just copy link, you go to YouTube Mate, you just paste the link, and then you're gonna download the video. So we're gonna upload video, and I'm gonna choose this video. If you have a horizontal video and you want it to be vertical, just put it to CapCut and just change the ratio to a vertical video and export it, and you have the video ready. You just put it here and it's done. You see, the video is ready. The background video is ready, you don't have to do anything else. For the music, the best way to use music is go to TikTok, find out the Reddit videos, see what music they're using, copy the link of the audio, go to ssstik.io, and then just paste it and download the mp3 file, and then upload it here, and it's gonna automatically put it in the background of the video. Then we have the screenshot, which you can change the subreddit, change the username. We're gonna put like Reddit Cosmos. Upvotes you can change, comments you can change, the position, the duration. Now to change the username, generate screenshot, and as you can see, Reddit Cosmos. And then in the tools you can add custom emojis, GIFs. We're pretty good to go. So that's pretty much it. So now that you watched this video, make sure to watch this video next, which is a full course on the TikTok creativity program. It's the best guide on YouTube. See you over there.